Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone sound better. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now your iPhone speakers, or if you're on headphones, has a certain sound to it, and you can adjust that to make it sound more vibrant, more bass, more acoustic, depending on what you're listening to or what you're watching, TV show, movie, or if you're listening to different types of music. Now to do that, we will head into our settings app here, and then we'll scroll down until we find music right above photos there. And we'll just tap on music there. And then if we scroll down, you can see midway down is EQ. So I can tap on that and it gives me a bunch of different options in terms of what I can change the sound to make it sound better. So for instance, if you want to increase bass, you can tap that and anything that you listen to will have more bass. You can choose pop if you're listening to pop. You can choose rock. You can choose spoken word, treble booster, vocal booster if you're having a hard time hearing specific people or voices. You can always choose vocal voice booster, and then it's easier to hear them and it will enunciate those vocal sounds better on your iPhone. So depending on what you're listening to and watching, you can try a bunch of these different options and then go back and try a different one and see which one sounds the best. But as you go through here, it'll definitely make your iPhone sound better and make you be able to hear it and enjoy it a lot more. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you in the next one.